Hey, good morning, Bob. Trade Genius here, the 2nd of March, and we have a lot to say this weekend. Some interesting things are happening in the market, and I'm going to start this video off just talking about the SPX slash SPY slash ES, whatever. And I titled this video, The Thank You Jesus Price Level. Have you ever been in a situation where you just are praying, please, 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 God, if we could only have this happen, I'll never ask for anything again? Well, that's where the market is right now. So it started getting hinky in this 26, 28 level here and started whipping, and then it just crashed. Okay, and now they brought it all the way back to the top of this range again. And then we started to stall out. So we have a little bit of a divergence right here in the market. And I'll zoom in a little bit here too. And you can see that this 28, 24 area is a wall. And on Monday, this is Monday's, we hit a high and we never got back to it on Friday. And so something to watch out for. And we've had 10 straight weeks of up. Now, there's a lot of gaps underneath here that need to get filled. And so we need to probably, at the very least, start to consolidate. And everything that happened that was kind of odd because of the consumer and retail reports are just awful. There's just no demand out there. And so we had interest rates starting to back up too. And last time that happened is that we blew into our top in September and October, and then started this swinging here that we see here. So I would start looking for a pickup of volatility here. And if they keep pushing interest rates up for some unknown reason, don't know what's happening behind the scenes here, is that it's going to cause pressure on the stock market this time instead of forcing people out of the bond market into the stock market. That might be their play. Force people out of gold and silver, force people out of oil, force people out of bonds, force people into the markets. And if they succeed, then it's clear air. There's nothing up here till 2903. So that's what we got to watch for. If it closes over this 2824 area, 2825 area on SPX, then we're going to jump up 100. If not, we have gaps to fill down, and we may go trade in this range back down to 2600. That's what we're watching for right now. And so should be an interesting week. And so I'll get back to you. I have some interesting conversations on metals and which ones to avoid, which ones to buy, and where the opportunities are going into March. But thanks for listening. We'll circle back here in a couple hours. Bye-bye.